She works in a hospital.
She works in a hospital.
She worked in a hospital.
She worked in a hospital.
He reads books before bed.
He reads books before bed.
He read books before bed.
He read books before bed.
They go to the gym every morning.
They go to the gym every morning.
They went to the gym every morning.
They went to the gym every morning.
I eat breakfast at 9 a.m.
I eat breakfast at 9 a.m.
I ate breakfast at 9 a.m.
I ate breakfast at 9 a.m.
We play soccer on weekends.
We play soccer on weekends.
We played soccer on weekends.
We played soccer on weekends.
She drinks coffee every morning.
She drinks coffee every morning.
She drank coffee every morning.
She drank coffee every morning.
I study for 2 hours every day.
I study for 2 hours every day.
I studied for 2 hours every day.
I studied for 2 hours every day.
We travel every summer.
We travel every summer.
We traveled every summer.
We traveled every summer.
I walk to work every day.
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 They watch movies on Fridays.
They watch movies on Fridays.
They watched movies on Fridays.
They watched movies on Fridays.
She cooks dinner every evening.
She cooks dinner every evening.
She cooked dinner every evening.
She cooked dinner every evening.
He enjoys playing video games.
He enjoys playing video games.
He enjoyed playing video games.
He enjoyed playing video games.
She paints in her free time.
She paints in her free time.
She painted in her free time.
She painted in her free time.
He takes pictures when traveling.
He takes pictures when traveling.
He took pictures when traveling.
He took pictures when traveling.
We celebrate birthdays with family.
We celebrate birthdays with family.
We celebrated birthdays with family.
We celebrated birthdays with family.
She wears a jacket in winter.
She wears a jacket in winter.
She wore a jacket in winter.
She wore a jacket in winter.
They visit the park often.
They visit the park often.
They visited the park often.
They visited the park often.
She teaches English at school.
She teaches English at school.
She taught English at school.
She taught English at school.